Are you getting older? Finding anti-aging miracles to reverse your age? Welcome to exciting episode of Anti-Aging Green Juice. I've got something truly magical for you. Something that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also rewind the clock of time. Yes, you heard me right. Today we're brewing up a powerful, all-natural anti-aging green juice that will have you feeling and looking your absolute best. So, grab that notepad, and let's dive right into the fountain of Eternal Youth Elixir. Segue into the ingredients. Now, before we jump into the homemade anti-aging juicing magic, let's take a moment to appreciate the superstar ingredients that make this green juice a game changer for your skin, energy levels, and overall vitality. First up, we have the mighty spinach. Popeye wasn't kidding when he gushed about it. Loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and E, spinach fights off those pesky free radicals that contribute to aging. It's like your body's very own shield against wrinkles. Next, the humble apple. It's not just a fruit, it's a time-traveling machine for your skin. Apples are brimming with phytonutrients and fiber, keeping your skin hydrated and promoting a youthful glow. Plus, they add a deliciously sweet note to our elixir. Tomatoes, the unsung heroes of the anti-aging world, come next. These ruby red beauties are packed with lycopene, which has been shown in famous journals, like the Journal of Dermatological Science, to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. A natural sunscreen from the inside. Now, let's zest it up with some lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, giving your skin that bounce and firmness. Say goodbye to saggy skin. And what's an anti-aging juice you can make in your blender without a little ginger kick? Ginger has been celebrated for centuries for its anti-inflammatory properties, helping reduce puffiness and keeping your skin looking toned and radiant. Last but not least, we've got our secret weapon: 300 milliliters of water. Hydration is the key to youthful skin, and water is your best friend. It flushes out toxins and keeps your skin plump and radiant. No wonder it's been endorsed by experts worldwide. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. Before you start juicing, gather all the fruits and vegetables you want to use in your juice. Make sure they are clean and fresh. For our anti-aging green juice recipe, you might gather ingredients like 2 cups spinach, 1 green apple, 2 tomatoes, 1 lemon, 1.5-inch piece of fresh ginger, 300 milliliters of water. So let's make the juice for anti-aging. Wash all the ingredients thoroughly under cold running water to remove any dirt or pesticides. Start with a handful of fresh, crisp spinach. Cut those into pieces. Toss them into your juicer. Follow that up with a sweet, juicy apple. Keep the skin on for that extra fiber boost. Cut 2 ripe tomatoes into small pieces and add those into juicer for that lycopene punch. Squeeze in the juice of a lemon. Watch out for seeds. Finally, grate a small piece, about 50 to 70 grams, of ginger to taste. Blend it all together until you get a gorgeous, vibrant elixir that's bursting with flavor and goodness. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp. Pour it into your favorite glass, and take a moment to admire the beautiful color. It's like a work of art that's also a fountain of youth. Enjoy your anti-aging green juice. Folks, our anti-aging elixir or green juice, backed by renowned research from journals like the Journal of Dermatological Science. It's not just a drink, it's a step towards a more youthful, energetic you. So, make this anti-aging green juice a part of your daily routine, and watch as your skin becomes smoother, your energy soars, and your vitality knows no bounds. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and join us on this incredible journey to defy the sands of time. Remember, age is just a number. And with the right ingredients, like spinach, apple, tomato, lemon, ginger, and a whole lot of hydration, we can all sip our way to a more youthful and vibrant tomorrow. Cheers to a timeless you. Do you have any suggestion relating to anti-aging green juice? Please write it down in the comment below. And a thumbs up please.